talk a little bit about my favorite film these days. It's made by a company called Ilford. It's Ilford FP4, rated at 125 ASA. It's really great general purpose film. You know, at 125 ASA, it's really great for outdoors or shooting with flash, and the grain structure is really fine. But it just gives you a very different look from what you might get with digital. And that's why I still like to shoot film these days. Ilford's been around for a long time. They're based out of England, and they continue to produce some remarkable films. If you're looking for a great black and white film to get started, give it a try. Ilford FP4.